Welcome to this edition of Burn Tech University, presented by Vogelzang. In today's video, we'll show you how to properly replace the 892187 auger on the VG5770. Always refer to your owner's manual. This video is for informational purposes only. If you are unsure about replacing any of the components on the stove, we recommend having a certified electrician or stove technician do this for you. The tools needed for today's project include an 11mm socket, a socket extension, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, and needle nose pliers. To start your project, you must first disconnect the power from your stove. Now, using your number 2 Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws holding the back panel to the stove. Next, remove the back panel by lifting it up and away from the stove. Prior to removing the auger motor will need to be removed. You will first need to disconnect the 2 wires from the terminals on the back of the motor. Now, using needle nose pliers, remove the hairpin connecting the auger motor to the auger. The auger motor will then be free from the auger. This next step is completely optional, however, it could be useful in lining up the holes on either side of the auger housing. Take a Sharpie or paint marker and make an identifying line from the auger housing to the auger motor mounting bracket. Now, using your socket, remove the bolt on the right side of the auger housing. Next, loosen the 2 bolts on the bracket. Once the bracket bolts have been loosened, remove the bolt on the left side of the auger housing. Then tighten the 2 bolts on the bracket. Next, grab hold of the bracket and pull down. You may need to twist the bracket a few times before the auger will be released. To install the new auger, place the auger bushing plate over the bottom of the auger with the bracket attached and slide the auger into the auger housing. You will need to make sure the top of the auger slides into the top bushing. Be sure to twist the bracket until the holes line up. If you made a mark on the housing and bracket, line up the marks to ensure the holes are aligned properly. Then insert and tighten the bolt on the right side of the auger housing. Prior to inserting and tightening the bolt on the left side of the housing, you will need to loosen the 2 bolts on the bracket. Once the left side bolt is in place, tighten the 2 screws on the bracket. Next, you will need to install the auger motor. Hold the auger into place and line up the holes on the auger and auger motor. Then slide the hairpin through the 2 holes to connect. Now, you can reconnect the 2 wires to the back of the motor. To reinstall the back panel, line up the holes and replace the screws. Now that your project is complete, you may reconnect power to your unit and check for proper operation. Once again, this video is for informational purposes only. We strongly recommend a certified electrician or stove technician do any repairs for you. If you need further assistance or have any questions, please visit us at vogelzang.com or give us a call at 1-800-222-6950. Thank you for watching this edition of Burn Tech University.